Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We have the nicest sunshine right now, so I thought it would be great to show you a very fresh recipe with lots of vegetables and just lots of vitamins. So you want to start out by preparing your rice, and you want to use about 2 or 3 times the amount of water and a little bit of salt, and then just cook that for about 15 to 20 minutes until the water is absorbed. Next up, you want to peel and cut down 1 carrot. Then you want to cut down half a cucumber. And 1 bell pepper. Last but not least, you want to cut down some tomatoes. Now I use some cheese that is for barbecue, so you want to cut that down a little bit as well. And then just use a pan with some oil and fry the cheese from all sides for a couple of minutes. Should be nice and golden brown. Now for the dressing, you want to use some vinegar, and the exact measurements are down below as always. You want to add some olive oil. A pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, and quite a bit of sugar. Last but not least, a little bit of lemon juice. And then you're ready to combine everything. So you want to take a big bowl, put all the veggies in there, add the rice, give the dressing a good mix and add that in as well. And lastly, the fried cheese. And then you can give that a mix, and then you're ready to enjoy. This is a very, very easy salad recipe that still has a little bit of carbs in it with the rice. I really like this. You can use this as a side dish with something else, or as I did, you can use it by itself, because I think with the rice and the fried cheese, it is very delicious on its own. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. Bye!